Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming ownership in Search Console, then open the coverage report to find 404 errors. This gives you a clear list of problem URLs. Once identified, make sure your sitemap is submitted and robots. TXT isn't blocking crawlers because blocked URLs can masquerade as missing. If you use redirects or dynamic routing, export the list of 404s now and prepare to test each URL in a browser and with the URL inspection tool to see Google's current crawl response. Once done categorizing why each URL is 404, act on the cause. Implement 301 redirects for permanently moved content so link equity transfers, or restore important pages if they were deleted. Make sure to fix internal links and CMS routing errors to stop new 404s from appearing. After updates, update and resubmit your sitemap and use the URL inspection tool to request indexing for key pages, since that speeds up Google's reprocessing of your fixes and clears the errors faster. Now validate your fixes in Search Console and monitor the validation progress. This confirms Google recognizes the corrections. Make sure to watch server logs and analytics for recurring 404 patterns that point to bots, broken internal links, or CMS caching. If validation or indexing fails, check common impediments like CDN caching, server rewrite rules, or staging environments serving 404s to crawlers. Clear caches and rerun URL inspection. One key troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, simulate Googlebot with curl or fetch to pinpoint server responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.